Hey, welcome to the studio. I am getting ready for a high school senior destination portrait session. First, she's going to do hair and makeup, and then we're going to do in the studio, and then we're going to travel to a place in Oklahoma, which is only like 2 hours from my studio, but I'm still calling it a mini destination, where there's a waterfall and a castle. And I think it is going to be the best time. It's my first time. Like, I've traveled by myself, but I haven't stayed by myself. So I'm gonna be staying in an Airbnb by myself, and I'm a little nervous about that, but I'm sure it'll be fine. But yeah, I invite you to follow along the behind the scenes of a destination senior portrait session. My senior client is out of makeup, and I have her ready for my first set, which is, I'll show you. First set, it's Madeline. All right.
We only have my head.
No, it only has your head right now. It's gonna be a video of your head. Oh goodness. Okay, let me do.
Over there back.
This is just testing. We're not quite there yet. Oh, this light's pretty. Turn down a little. Yeah, I do like the hand kind of like this. That's cute too. You can do that. You can have your hand here. Just not so it looks like you're grabbing anything. And then do the foot thing. Up and over. Yeah, don't put it here. You can bring it over this way. Beautiful. Come down here, turn your head a little. Look at me. Beautiful. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Turn your head a little more.
The light.
Does it hurt you? I have it on full power. Try not to look directly at it.
It's in my peripheral.
Okay, smoke. Stop.
Don't rub your neck because it'll turn red.
Huh?
Don't rub your...
I've never heard that complaint before. Here, look at me. Make sure I like the light over here. Yeah, that's so pretty. Bring your hand just a little closer to your head. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Dreamy. Okay, stay put. Fog machine on.
Oh.
You said all before you even looked at it.
Gotta time your stuff better.
Faker! Oh.
It's like up my ears, like hola.
I feel like the fog does more upstairs than it does down here. Let me get this angle. Give me done. If I got it, I got it. If I don't got it, I don't got it. Give me time. I go here and
Squeeze out the hair, squeeze out the hair.
crazy day.
I know.
In studio part is done. I just got a little bit of the behind the scenes. For that, I am now cleaning up. It's the next day. We were supposed to go to Oklahoma yesterday, but the weather just kept getting worse and worse, and our Airbnbs let us switch our reservations to today. And since I was planning on today being a travel day, it really didn't change anything for me to switch the date to today. So yesterday we did in studio. I'm getting ready to drive about 2 hours, which isn't a huge road trip, but it's long enough to where I'm gonna want to spend the night because we will be done when it's dark, and I don't want to drive 2 hours in the dark because it is dark up there. So my car, I don't know if you can see, is full. This is my camera bag. I'm bringing 2 bodies, 2 lenses, and lots of other things, and then my clothes, my cooler, and then I have neon lights, wand lights, and that look like lightsabers, and then I have my speed light. I have lots of different lights. So I bring everything when I do these destination shoots. Oh, and we have lots of dresses. The back of my car is even messier than the back seat. But so many dresses. Oh, this was good because I wanted water anyway. So many dresses. I'm bringing like 6 dresses. We're photographing at a castle and at a waterfall and maybe some other places too. And I'm excited to be there. I do have a little bit of a headache. I think it's from not drinking enough water because yesterday I had a full day in the studio. We did hair and makeup. We did 2 sets with my kiddie pool, and we did some dancing shots, and so we were there from like 10 to 2, and I realized when I got home I haven't even had a whole water bottle worth of water, so I think that's why I have a headache today. So I'm feeling a little puny. I know once I get shooting I will feel better because that's always the case. Jamming. So I know once I get there I will feel better because that's always the case. But so now I'm headed to Turner Falls. I'm gonna go to my Airbnb. If there's a slight chance I will drive home tonight if we finish early, because I don't know when my client's gonna get there. I said don't get there no later than 6. But yeah, I don't know how late it is when my client gets there. It's going to be a crazy few days because tomorrow I'm photographing a gala, and then Saturday I'm in the studio in the morning. So I'm going to be pretty pooped by the end of all this, but I'm excited. So come and follow the behind the scenes of this high school senior destination shoot. We are in Davis, Oklahoma. We are going back to my cabin. We are at the castle. She is getting situated and getting ready to get her picture taken. She's putting on a skirt. It's going to be so pretty. Dang, mosquito.
You had to think about bug spray.
Water. Yes. You pose perfectly.
Bring some of your hair from this side over. Or bring it all to one side or do something. Yeah.
We'll do some over here. I know the light's going to be on your face pretty over there, but I like this background better, so we're going to do those.
Point the toes. Point, not flex the foot.
Let this hair cascade down the back, not the front.
No, the back. No, don't put it all to one side. Yeah, now pull the other one on the other side. Oh, I'll fix it. Just a second.
I got it.
I got what you were saying.
Yeah, because you're kind of looking at me with your head down, and so I want the hair to kind of cascade down too.
You're like a Zara model.
What is that?
It's a back.
I'm just trying to stay awake because I know he's sleeping. She was going good until we smelled her BO. No stars. sit on those stairs.
You can, like, with the long skirt, I can sit up here and have it like drop down.
Yeah, and I was gonna have you stand on these stairs, and I was gonna be from like over here so I could see the castle. Ooh, even from this, even if you're like at this corner right there, and then the skirt kind of cascading down. You might have to go down the step. Let me see. Yeah, I think so. Let me see. Oh yeah. She's putting the long skirt down so it'll cascade. This castle's so pretty. There's a lot of cascadiness here. Oh, I love it. I love cascading. Turn your head towards the creek a little more, right there. Oh, a little more towards the creek, right there. Yeah. Your head. Oh, that's cute too, even doing it like that. Girl, you're like doing. You're doing things I don't even think about, and it's cute. Okay, let's hold this skirt. Hold this skirt. Push it. You look back that way. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Bend that elbow, Madeline. There we go. Girl, you need an energy bar? I have one in the car.
No.
Look, that'll break your mom. There we go.
That one's going on the wall.
Like this. Bring this elbow up one. Yep, and then bring this hand like this. Yep, that's really pretty. And then we're probably gonna have to bring this foot here. And maybe lean. There we go. Something like that. You can rest this foot because I know that's uncomfortable until I'm ready to shoot. Or just keep doing that.
This seems good. This is quite uncomfy.
Let's see. I did it weird. I got it. You have to hold it there. Okay.
That one's on your phone.
Why are you using my phone?
Beautiful. Who's having so much fun?
I love it. It's cute. And it's very peaceful with the waterfalls in the background.
And the screaming kids every once in a while. Turn your head that way.
At least they're not screaming in anger. They're just screaming in excitement.
That's true.
No, ella me dio, pero como él era el número 5 y yo se lo contesta, está pagado, no pasó, y yo le dije, vaya, me voy, porque yo tengo que también primero antes de mandar el diario normal, le dije.
You can do something like this. Just go, oh yeah, that's pretty. I like that. That's good. Straighten your back a little more and then into your leg. There you go. And I like that. Yeah. All right. Okay, we had so much fun today. Thank you for watching my really fun destination shoot.